I suggest you to put your egg. The same with the egg yolks, but first in the egg yolks we are going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar for each egg yolk. So we have 14 egg yolks, we are going to add 14 tablespoons of sugar. Out later, and then you have a watery tiramisu. So we're going like super fast. See? Then more cream. The way I will do my tiramisu.
The difference, I know that why some do it with the mascarpone and why some do it with the zabaione.
Okay, because it usually it's like mostly the tradition of the place you were born into. Because all the recipes we got in Italy, we have a traditional way to do it, but every family does it differently. Like southern Italy usually do like the zabaione instead of the of the week is something for Sunday when you're with your family and you're creating some fresh pasta. So we're gonna start with a little inside of our flour, and then we're and also, as you can see, my thumb is behind the other fingers. Same at the start, I'm gonna remove this part. Then, we're gonna separate it into parts. We don't want to cut this way, we just want to separate it into parts. Then, with our knife, we go underneath. Not like this, not like this. We want to push it straight on the cutting board, and we wanna go through. Okay? We wanna go through. The part without the sharpness of the knife goes under our line, so we can turn it and go up. Wow! Really poor actually. And the people that had pigs usually sold the belly of the pig, but no one bought the cheese. So they started using it, and we started.